Welcome to Vermont, a state nestled in the heart of New England. This land of verdant hills, sparkling lakes and dense forests offers a captivating glimpse into the wild heart of America. Join us now as we venture into this haven of natural beauty where the seasons paint the landscape in a breathtaking tapestry of colors. Our journey begins in the heart of Vermont, where the Green Mountains rise like a verdant spine. These ancient peaks, sculpted by time, are home to a rich tapestry of life. The slopes are cloaked in dense forests, a mix of hardwoods and towering conifers. This wilderness provides refuge for creatures like black bears and white-tailed deer. Among these peaks stands Mount Mansfield, the highest point in Vermont. Its summit offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Green Mountains are a paradise with hiking trails leading to hidden waterfalls and scenic overlooks. In the winter months, the mountains transform into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. Our journey now takes us westward to the shores of Lake Champlain, a stunning body of water nestled between the Green Mountains of Vermont and the Adirondacks of New York. This vast expanse of fresh water forms a natural border, stretching over 120 miles in length and covering an area of 490 square miles. Between Vermont and New York, offering breathtaking views and a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Lake Champlain is a place of constant movement and change, with its waters reflecting the ever-shifting skies above. Its waters, home to a diverse array of fish species, attract anglers from far and wide, eager to cast their lines into its depths. The lake's surface is often dotted with sailboats, a testament to its popularity for recreation, where families and friends gather to enjoy the gentle breezes and open waters. The shores of Lake Champlain are a haven for wildlife, with bald eagles and great blue herons among its residents, thriving in the rich and diverse ecosystem. The history of Lake Champlain is as rich and varied as its ecosystem, with stories that span centuries and cultures. For centuries, Native American tribes navigated its waters, relying on the lake for sustenance and transportation. Later, European explorers and settlers arrived, drawn by its beauty and resources. Today, Lake Champlain remains a vital waterway, balancing human needs and the preservation of our natural world. Conservation efforts continue to protect this precious resource for future generations to enjoy. Leaving the shores of Lake Champlain, we venture into the heart of Vermont's forests. They cover nearly three-quarters of the state, a vast emerald tapestry stretching as far as the eye can see. These are not merely stands of trees, but complex ecosystems teeming with life. Step into this world of dappled sunlight and hushed stillness. The air is alive with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. Towering maples, their leaves a vibrant green in summer, reach for the sky. Look closely, and you will see the signs of the forest's inhabitants like red squirrels and woodchucks. These forests are vital to the health of our planet, acting as giant carbon sinks. Preserving these forests is crucial for the well-being of our planet as a whole. The sound of rushing water is a constant presence in the Vermont wilderness. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the soul and invigorates the senses. The rivers and waterfalls here are not just bodies of water, they are the lifeblood of the landscape, carving through the terrain and creating a dynamic environment that is ever-changing and full of life. From cascading waterfalls to meandering rivers, water has shaped the landscape for millennia. These waterways have witnessed the passage of time, from the ancient glaciers that once covered this land to the vibrant ecosystems that thrive here today. The rivers and waterfalls of Vermont are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Our journey takes us deep into the Green Mountains, following the course of a rushing stream. As we hike along its banks, we are surrounded by the lush greenery and the sounds of the forest. The stream guides us through this natural wonderland, revealing hidden gems and breathtaking vistas at every turn. Here, amidst moss-covered boulders and towering hemlocks, we discover one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles, a waterfall. The water cascades down with a force that is both powerful and mesmerizing, creating a mist that fills the air and nourishes the surrounding flora. It's a scene that captures the essence of Vermont's wild beauty. Each waterfall in Vermont possesses its own unique character. Some are gentle and serene, offering a peaceful retreat for those who seek solace in nature. Others are bold and dramatic, commanding attention with their sheer power and majesty. Each one tells a story of the land and the water that shapes it. Some cascade down sheer rock faces in a single dramatic drop. These waterfalls are like nature's own sculptures, carved by the relentless force of water over countless years. They stand as monuments to the enduring power of natural forces. Others tumble over a series of ledges, creating a mesmerizing dance of water and light. The sunlight catches the droplets, creating a sparkling display that is both enchanting and ephemeral. These multi-tiered waterfalls are a visual symphony, a harmonious blend of movement and light. But Vermont's waterways are more than just scenic wonders. They are arteries of life, providing habitat for a wide range of plants and animals. The rivers and streams support a rich biodiversity, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. They are vital ecosystems that sustain life and contribute to the health of the environment. Rivers like the Connecticut and the Winooski offer opportunities for adventure and recreation. Whether it's kayaking through rapids, fishing in quiet pools, or simply enjoying the serene beauty of the water, these rivers provide a connection to nature that is both exhilarating and grounding. As we paddle down the river, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all things in nature. The water that flows through these rivers is the same water that nourishes the land, supports the wildlife, and sustains the people who call Vermont home. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in the natural world and our role in preserving it. One of the most captivating aspects of Vermont is its constant state of transformation. This northeastern gem is a living canvas, painted anew with each passing season. As the seasons turn, the landscape undergoes a breathtaking metamorphosis. From the vibrant greens of spring to the serene whites of winter, Vermont's scenery is ever-changing and always stunning. Spring arrives in a burst of color as the trees awaken from their winter slumber. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the landscape is dotted with fresh green leaves. Delicate wildflowers carpet the forest floor, their vibrant hues a stark contrast to the muted tones of winter. These blossoms bring life and color back to the woods, signaling the start of a new cycle. Summer brings long, lazy days and warm nights, with forests a lush green. The trees are full and vibrant, providing shade and a cool respite from the summer heat. Lakes and rivers sparkle in the sunlight, inviting visitors to cool off with a swim. The water is refreshing, and the scenery is perfect for a day of relaxation and fun. Autumn in Vermont is a truly magical time, with leaves transforming into a breathtaking tapestry of reds, oranges, and yellows. The crisp air and the sound of leaves crunching underfoot make it a perfect season for outdoor adventures. Winter brings a blanket of snow, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. The snow-covered trees and fields create a serene and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for cozying up by the fire or enjoying winter sports. Frozen lakes and rivers become playgrounds for ice skaters and cross-country skiers. The crisp, cold air and the crunch of snow underfoot make for an invigorating experience. Each season in Vermont offers a different perspective on the state's natural beauty. Whether it's the vibrant colors of spring, the lush greens of summer, the fiery hues of autumn, or the serene whites of winter, Vermont's ever-changing beauty is a testament to the power and wonder of nature. The forests, mountains, and waterways of Vermont provide a haven for a surprising diversity of wildlife. From elusive predators to gentle herbivores, these creatures are a testament to the health and wildness of this remarkable state. In the early morning mist, a white-tailed deer steps cautiously into a forest clearing. High above, a red-tailed hawk circles effortlessly on the thermals. From the tiny ruby-throated hummingbird to the impressive pileated woodpecker, the forests are alive with the sound of birdsong. As dusk descends, a black bear emerges from the forest. In the quiet hours of the night, a bobcat stalks its prey through the underbrush. These are just a few of the many creatures that share this land with us. Vermont has long recognized the importance of preserving its natural heritage for future generations. Throughout the state, a network of state parks, national forests, and wildlife refuges protect millions of acres of pristine wilderness. One such gem is Smuggler's Notch State Park, nestled high in the Green Mountains. Here, visitors can hike to the summit of Mount Mansfield or explore the depths of Bingham Falls. Further south, Stratton Mountain Resort offers a different kind of outdoor adventure. But Vermont's protected areas offer more than just recreational opportunities. They play a vital role in conserving the state's biodiversity. The Green Mountain National Forest encompasses nearly 400,000 acres of pristine wilderness. These protected areas are a testament to Vermont's commitment to conservation. As our journey through Vermont's natural wonders comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this remarkable state. From the rugged peaks of the Green Mountains to the tranquil waters of Lake Champlain, Vermont's beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. So whether you seek adventure in the great outdoors or a peaceful retreat surrounded by nature, Vermont awaits. Come discover its magic for yourself.